Something needs a bit of analog sort of machinery to run it. As a machinist here, I'm taking raw stock material and I'm turning it down to make usable parts. Sometimes they come in and they give us the old part, which is usually broken, and we'll identify it and we'll make a new donut and then we'll cut the teeth in it and then we'll give it to them. If we need to turn down some big parts, we have very large CNC machines that we use.
We hired Logan on. Our training helps them more than just doing schooling.
Tried to do like the regular degree thing, but that didn't work out for me. I liked working. So this really was great for me to get a job, have my schooling, and not have to worry about paying for it.
Gear and Repair pays for their tuition for 2 years, and then they're required to work for us for an additional year. We take them on right away because we know they're interested.
There's so many different things that I can do and learn, and especially as this company grows, we can get new machines in and I can learn on those too. 10 years down the line, I'll still be working at a machine shop and turning parts to make sure that the industry is still running.